Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use GPT-4 for free without ChatGPT Plus. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's proceed with today's video. Microsoft Bing just recently released GPT-4 as its new search engine. So if you want to try GPT-4 for free right now, go to this page and scroll down here. Click the new Bing preview and sign up for it. So you're gonna need to sign in, type in your Microsoft email and password. Then you will be redirected to this page. So to use the ChatGPT-4 for free, you have to click on these boxes below. So for example, I'm going to click this create a 3-course menu here. So this is going to take me to a new Bing, and here on the side, the GPT-4 will answer the questions asked. So the second way is going to Poe. Just type in your browser poe.com. So as you can see, we have multiple AI models on the left. You can use ChatGPT with unlimited access as long as you have registered in the POE account. But for GPT-4, you will be allowed to use this for free, but only once a day. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.